So let's find the reference angle of this given angle here. So we're given the angle 437 degrees. Now, in order to find the reference angle, we do need to understand what a reference angle is. So quick definition here. So a reference angle is essentially the angle that forms from the terminal side of your given angle along with the x-axis. So super quick example here. Let's say I had this angle right over here. Let's just call it like 30 degrees, something like that, right? So this angle starts here at the x-axis and goes this way. So the terminal side of the angle is this line right over here. Now, by definition, a reference angle goes from the terminal side, excuse me, which is this one here, to the x-axis. So it's the angle that would come from here to here, right? Which in this example is just the same 30 degrees. But for our example, it's just slightly different here. So we have the angle 437 degrees. Now, if we draw out that angle, 437 degrees, it's greater than 360. So what's going to happen is it's going to go around. So it's going to completely go around a full circle here, which is 360 degrees. But we have the angle 437. So 360 is all the way around. And then if you continue to go to get to 437, 360 plus about 77 degrees is what 437 is, right? 437 is 360 plus 77 degrees. So we're going to go around fully 360 plus an additional 77 is what the angle 437 looks like. So it looks like this right over here. So the reference angle then goes from the terminal side of the angle, right, which is this line right over here, back down to the x-axis, right? And it would go down to this x-axis. The only way that it would go the other way is if it was past this 90 degrees. Once it gets into this quadrant, you're going down to the x-axis this direction. But because we're here in the first quadrant, the closest way to get to the x-axis is going this way here. So this is our reference angle, and that would be 77 degrees.